Now what about the other stereoisomer, Z2-pentene? We'll view the molecule from a Newman projection perspective, looking down the bond from carbon-2 red to carbon-3 blue. Let's start again with the anti-staggered conformation, but unlike the E2-pentene, this has a lower energy. There's a dihedral angle from carbon-2's red hydrogen to carbon-3's blue methyl group of 0 degrees. Carbon-3 blue is rotated by 60 degrees anticlockwise to an eclipsed conformation that has a dihedral angle of 60 degrees, with a very slight increase in energy. A 30 degrees rotation gives the lowest energy perpendicular conformation, with a dihedral angle of 90 degrees. A further 30 degrees rotation goes from the lowest energy to the highest energy gauche conformation, having a 120 degrees dihedral angle. Rotating about another 60 degrees causes some loss of energy to provide the syn-eclipsed conformation with a 180 degree dihedral angle. With yet another 60 degree rotation, we elevate energy to return to a gauche conformation with 240 degree dihedral angle. Keep rotating by 30 degrees to afford a dramatic drop in energy for another perpendicular conformation with a 270 degree dihedral angle. Yet another 30 degree rotation with the rise in energy to give an eclipsed conformation, and ultimately the last rotation of 60 degrees with a slight drop in energy takes us back to the initial anti-staggered conformation at 0 or 360 degrees dihedral angle. Of all these conformations, the perpendicular conformations are the lowest energy that has the largest population. That's important when contemplating how other molecules would react with Z2-pentene. In contrast, the gauche conformation is the highest energy conformation, 20.5 kilojoules per mole more than the perpendicular conformation. The next highest energy conformation is syn-eclipsed, that's 16.3 kilojoules per mole more than the perpendicular conformation. The remaining significant conformations are of similar energy levels to the perpendicular conformation. The eclipsed conformation is 2.5 kilojoules per mole more, whilst the anti-staggered conformation is only 2.1 kilojoules per mole more.